So Gia's just woken up for her nap. And that's the gummy smile I get in the mornings. But it's actually the afternoon now. But still, she's a happy camper. Say hi. Hi. Give me a gummy smile. Gummy smile. Give me a gummy smile. Give me a happy, give me a gummy smile. Go gummy, hi. Just too cute. What were you saying before? Why are you being shy now? You were screaming at your mommy a few minutes ago. She's ready to walk.